first I want to have the square at f5 under control, so I play g7, g6.
Now I don't know which side I want to castle to. g6 was a funny move. If I castle queenside, he probably does the same. If he does it immediately, then I could go on with g4, but I'm not sure what that is. Knight f6 and he plays h5. I don't think I get anything.
On e4, and it also opened up a path for the white queen's bishop, which is on c1. And now Kieseritsky played this. And there's a very transparent threat of playing the knight into here, check, which can't be taken because the rook on h1 will be hanging. And again, this is typical of the play of the day. Not much strategic forethought and operating with short-term tactical threats, such as this knight to g3 check. But of course, white can parry that by playing his own knight to this h4 square.
So we've got this really exciting position. Nigel short white, Kasparov black. 8 moves left to play. Nigel sacrificed his queen. He has this dangerous pass pawn on the 7th rank, full of tactics. The pawn threatening to go on and queen. And if queen takes pawn on d7, if Kasparov as black plays that knight to f8 check, forks king and queen with the knight, famous forking piece, and should go into an endgame with an extra piece for Nigel Short, which should be a win.
Completed the puzzle, put your hand up and shout, finish.
Mind-blowing. Finished.
Oh no, I haven't.
And if I have to play f3, he gets pressure on the e-file against my pawn on e3. The healthy plan is probably to attack with the pawns on the queen side, and that means I don't castle to that side. Maybe I don't need to castle immediately.
Great auntie, she knitted me a tank top.
If I play b4 immediately, that's a famous trick in such positions. If he takes with the queen and rook b1, I have to be careful that my rook does not get trapped on b7. He moves the queen to a5, I take on b7, he moves knight b6, but the rook is not
The chessboard with all the pieces.
in danger. It's very strong up there. It is very tempting to play b4. I just have to make up my mind not to castle queenside. I think castling queenside, I have no constructive plan, really.
The winners head for the balcony of dreams and are through to the next round.
It was like, well, I'm so excited to go to the balcony because everyone's been saying such good things about it, so I'm like really excited.
I like my position, but I have to do something. b4 must be right.